Sorry. So here we are, and you could maybe played with the numbers and gotten it so that your cat looks a little bit better when it moves. But this only moved your cat a tiny bit, and we need to get my cat all the way across the stage. So one of the things we might want to do is use a repeat or forever block. Now, if I use a forever block, it's going to do it forever. If I try that, and see how it just snaps around the whole thing like that? Ooh, well, maybe, maybe not. There we go. If I do it forever, my cat's going to disappear, but let's go ahead. Ooh, 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 stop. Okay. I can kind of count how many times it went across, though, when I did that. If I click on forever, I can click forever. Okay, so I think, what was that, about 8 times? I'm not getting much of a weight, though. I think I definitely need to work with that. My weight, I might need another one. I might need another weight block to be added. So let me go ahead and duplicate this. And now, if I put my forever on here, oh, that's a little smoother, isn't it? I kind of think so too. It's easier to count. Also, are you counting how many times it takes for your cat to get across the stage? That's something you can look at and play with. And I do want you to play with it. You know, maybe you just want 0.25 here. Maybe you want 15 here. Your choice, however you want it to look. I think adding the additional weight block helped me make mine look a little bit more smooth. But I don't want it to go forever because, quite honestly, it's just going to go off of the stage and then I won't find it. I have a repeat block, which will let me repeat it, like, for instance, 10 times. Okay, maybe I need 9. What do you think? I think just 9 will do it. Now, I'm using 9 because I have 25 steps. What if yours was 15? How many times would you have to repeat it? I want you to look at something like that. What if yours was 10? How many times would you need to repeat it? That's your job to figure that out. And you should try those different numbers. The other thing that I think I need to do is I'm always dragging my mouse back, or my cat back to its original spot. And I don't have to do this. It's a computer program. It should do it for me. That's what computer programs do. So if I go to my motion blocks, and this is why you need this little XY grid going on here. If I look here, my X is negative 199, and my Y is 3. See that? If I put this go to block, you see, it says negative 199, 3. And then I can repeat. All right, so if I put my cat up here, just got my cat somewhere, and I hit my space bar. Now I'm going to hit stop because it didn't go right where I thought it should be. I think I need my cat right here. 211 and 5. That's not that different. Let's try it again. If I put my cat up here, and this is programming. It's troubleshooting. It's doing things over and over. Nope, it's jumping down there. And if you look, that says negative 200 right there. This spot right here. You see that negative 100, negative 200. So I don't know why it's jumping there. I guess this is like 211 right here. I'm thinking, what if I change this to negative 225? I like 25, you can kind of tell. So, oh, I don't know that it did much better. but I like the way my cat is walking. So what I want you to do is incorporate a go-to block. All right. You don't have to walk on this line. You can walk up here. You can walk down here. If you want, you can walk in a diagonal. If you can figure that out, you're still getting from one end of the stage to another. Ha ha ha. To do that, you might think about some of these blocks. Anyway, I want you to go ahead and work on that. I want you to play with it, see how it works. Pay attention to the numbers that you're using. Now, these numbers are my mouse. That's the location of my cat.